Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a video. Yeah, I guess I've been busy. This morning was also crazy already. I've been running around, going to Wilcon, it's our hardware store, picking up tiles, paint. Yeah, now we started painting that rental house, and all of a sudden I get a text message that we don't have any gas anymore for our lawnmower, and the guys can't keep mowing the lawn. So I went back to the village, grabbed the jerry can. Now I'm on my way to get some gas. This is the traffic right now. I don't know, it's just barely moving. But that's the Philippines for you. Look, it's at the Orphanage. They sold me some shake. They're fundraising for a trip. I'm at the house here. This is how they burn their garbage. And I'll give you an update. It's almost all sanded. We have primed this bedroom. Looking good. The girls are priming this bedroom. They're doing a good job. And I'll show you the bathrooms. We'll still do a ceiling here. So this is what the bathrooms look like. A little cleanup, a little painting here, and it should be good to go. The second bathroom. This also needs a ceiling. Looking good, looking good. Got some visitors here. Remy, what do you think? He's shy. This is drying right now, ready for paint tomorrow. Finished sanding, so we're good to go. Okay, that's it for today. Priming is almost done. We just have this wall left to do, but we need to take out that extra drywall. But it's raining today, so that means we can't do much. This is it. Priming is done. I hope we can get it painted tomorrow. Right, girls? Yeah. Okay. Guys, we're here at S&R. This is just like Costco, very similar to Costco. Show you around, show you what they have. Very nice, good stuff. They even have Twix ice and Snickers. Look at that. How awesome is that? Definitely take some, eh? Okay, I need some coffee, but I can't decide which one. Dunkin's? Or what? What kind of coffee is this? I'd probably go for Starbucks, but I don't see any Starbucks, like, except for this stuff, whatever that is. Oh well. I think Dunkin' coffee is good. I've never had it, but yeah. Or Seattle's best. Anyone ever tried that one? Well, what do we have here? Oh, nice. Wanna try those for sure. This is what I got so far. Those things are very nice. They're so good. Unreal. Okay, so we're done. This is all the things I got. What's up, guys? It's the next day. I'm back at the rental house. I finished priming this wall. Now I'm just doing underneath the cabinet or underneath the countertop here. And then I have to prime these small sections here, and then we're good to go to do the first coat. The guys are doing something here, fixing this. Yeah. It's still raining. Weather doesn't slow down. It hasn't been good in the last 2 days, but that's what it is. I just saw a YouTube video this morning saying that it looks like typhoon season is on now, so I hope not, but it is what it is. It's lunchtime, almost 12 o'clock, and I've first coated this room. So this one is done first coat, and then after lunch I'll do this one and this area. Always cover everything up so the paint doesn't dry. See you after lunch. Okay, lunch is over. We're back at the house. Gonna keep painting. Just want to show you something. Just realized that. Open the water here. Look out there, it's just coming out here, see? That's all. That's it. Easy, eh? Oh well. That's the Filipino way. Let's keep going. Okay, that's it for today. Everything is first coated. Jasmine was helping. First coat is done. I'll see if I can get in here tomorrow to do a second coat, but right now I have to go to the store and get 2 doors and a few other things. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for this video. Possibly I'll do another update tomorrow maybe. Say bye.
Bye.
Well, I went and got a few more things we need. We'll be painting the floor and then a few other things. So let's bring those into the house. Okay, now that's it for today. It's Friday. 4:30. It's enough. We'll come back here tomorrow, I think, if everything goes according to plan. Yeah, but our workers, they will be installing those doors tomorrow, so that's why I got them today still. I want the guys to keep working so we can get this done, this thing done this weekend. That'll be nice. So yeah, guys, I hope you all have a great weekend and I will see you next time.